To protect applications and other workloads in AWS, you probably have tried to check for service misconfigurations and scan for software vulnerabilities. But that can be too slow for developer timelines, and by the time you're done, your cloud environment has already changed. Alert Logic Cloud Insight is a highly automated solution that makes it fast and easy for you to discover, prioritize, remediate, and track vulnerabilities and misconfigurations all in a single tool, all from within your AWS environment. It runs credentialed, agentless vulnerability scanning of third-party software you're using, including open source components, against a growing library of more than 92,000 reported issues. No need to submit a vulnerability and penetration test form to AWS every time you want to run a scan, because Cloud Insight is pre-approved to continuously scan your AWS environment. At the same time, it also assesses your AWS account for best practice configuration of assets, services, and policies, highlighting exposures. With Cloud Insight, you don't have to reconfigure or reload assets for scanning. Our dynamic asset model does that for you, collecting outputs from CloudTrail, Inspector, AWS Config, and more to automatically update with the latest adds, moves, changes, and deletions. It even understands the difference between an AMI and instances, filtering out the noise of duplicate vulnerabilities so you can quickly focus on action at the source AMI. You can also filter and search using AWS tags. The dynamic asset model's topology map shows you where your misconfigurations and software vulnerabilities fit within your environment, so you know which ones to remediate first. Cloud Insight drives rapid and continuous improvement in your security posture by providing recommended remediations that are prioritized by criticality and quantity of vulnerabilities. You can actually see and share your improvement with trend reporting on outstanding versus resolved vulnerabilities over time. Using DevOps automation, because it's automated within your AWS environment, you can quickly perform configuration exposure and vulnerability checks before, during, and after production deployment at any stage within your application lifecycle. And using the Cloud Insight REST API, you can incorporate security deficiencies into QA and issue tracking systems, such as Jira. Cloud Insight is one part of a suite of Alert Logic solutions that combine software as a service with expert managed services to provide full-stack security of your AWS workloads. For more information, please visit alertlogic.com/CI.